So after lysosome, we'll discuss now about ribosomes. Ribosomes. Now this ribosomes was first observed by Claude. Okay, so you can say that this ribosomes was first isolated by Claude. But Claude কি observe করিলে মনে রাখিবা the structure মানে structure কোনে the first structure was isolated by whom? Claude. Okay, Claude first isolate korile the structure ribosome, but তেওঁ কি term dile, he gave the term as what? Microsome. Ribosome boli khoa nai. So mon rakhiba that Claude was the person who first isolated ribosome, but he called the particles as microsomes. Okay, so Claude the first particle observed korile tete ki kole microsome, but it was not microsome, it was what? It was ribosome. So ribosome first kot observe korile aru kune observe korile, that is Robinson and Brown was the two scientists. Okay, pisot after Claude. Okay, after Claude duta scientists asile তেওঁ কি কৰিলে, that is Robinson and Brown হতে কি কৰিলে, observe কৰিলে in the root cell of what? Vicia faba. Okay, so you can write that Robinson and Brown observed in root cells of Vicia faba. Okay, Vicia faba is a plant, definitely root ase. Okay, kenuka plant ke scientific name kar hoy, it's a broad bean. Okay, broad bean or scientific name ho, that is Vicia faba. Okay, and Vicia faba root cell hote tomar ki paisile, this particle that is ribosome. Kune paisile, that is Robinson and Brown. But term ribosome term kune dile, who gave the term ribosome? So man rakhiba, the term ribosome was given by Palade. Okay, term ribosome was given by Palade. Okay, so scientist Palade gave the term ribosome. He can ribosome arda namot koa jay, that is Palade's particle. So it ki koa hoy, Palade's particle koa hoy, because the scientist Palade gave the term what? Ribosome. Ite ami jano that ribosome is what? It's a membranous or non-membranous? Definitely to ki hoy, non-membranous. That's why it is found in both prokaryotic cells as well as what? Eukaryotic cells. Okay, let me write. So it is what? It is non-membranous. It is non-membranous, that means it's not membrane bound. That means it is found in both. It is found in both prokaryotic, okay, as well as eukaryotic. Clear? So it is what? Non-membranous, and is found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic, except, okay, যদি except ki মনে রাখিবা, that is mature sperm. In mature sperm it is absent, and mammalian RBC. In mammalian RBC it is what? It is absent. So these ribosomes are absent in mature sperm and mammalian RBC. Okay, now it is also found in what? Cell organelles. Cell organelles se to poa jay this ribosomes. Cell organelles like what? Cell organelles like mitochondria and plastids. Mitochondria and plastids. So these ribosomes are found in cell organelles also. Okay, cell organelles like mitochondria and plastids. So etu narda namo koa hoy mitochondria jo ribosomes bila present thake eto ki koa hoy mitoribosomes. Okay, and plastid ribosome jo plastid jo ribosome present thake eto koy plastidoribosomes. Clear? So mone rakhiba mitochondria jo ribosomes present thake eto ki koa hoy mitoribosomes. Okay, and plastidoribosome that is present in plastid. Okay, likhi diu moi mitoribosomes that is present in mitochondria and plastidoribosomes that is present in where? In plastid. Clear? So mone rakhiba that ribosomes are what? They are non-membranous, they are non-membranous. Non-membranous hoy, that means membrane bound no hoy. That means they are found in both prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cells. Okay, there are cells are present thake. Now it is also found in cell organelles like mitochondria and plastids. So eto beleg naam ase junbila ribosomes mitochondria present thake eto mitoribosomes koa hoy ar junbila plastidot present thake eto ki koa hoy plastidoribosomes. Clear? So this is what? This is the ribosome. Now tumar ribosomes are also found cell organelles poa jay logot inte kot poa jay. It is also found in cytoplasm as well as in membrane. Okay, so these ribosomes are found in cell organelles, that is in mitochondria and where? In plastid. It also found in cytoplasm as well as where? Membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? So these ribosomes are found in cytoplasm as well as where? As well as membrane of endoplasmic reticulum and nucleus. So mon rakhiba that these ribosomes are present where? Are found where? In the cell organelles like mitochondria and plastid, also found in cytoplasm and on membrane of endoplasmic reticulum and nucleus. Keneke present thake? Cytoplasm ot keneke present thake and endoplasmic reticulum ot keneke present thake? So ribosome definitely present ase, right? So jumbilak ribosome cytoplasm ot present thake hiatok ki koa hoy free ribosomes. Okay, term papa free ribosomes. That means free ribosomes ki bujhai ase? This is the ribosome that is present where? In the cytoplasm. Clear? And where it is found in membrane of endoplasmic reticulum or nucleus, that it is known as what? Bound ribosomes. Clear? So cytoplasm jumla ribosome present thakibo hiatok ki koa hoy free ribosome aru tumar jumla membrane ot present thake hiatok ki koa hoy bound ribosomes. Clear? So this is what? This is the location, that is a what? The ribosomes are present in where? Cytoplasm as well as in membrane also. Okay? And depending on this, ki koa hoy free ribosomes and what? And bound ribosome respectively. Clear? Now these ribosomes are ribosomes. So these each ribosomes are made up of 2 subunits. Mon rakhiba. So it's very important that each ribosomes are made up of 2 subunits. 2 subunits, that is one is larger subunits and another one is what? One is larger subunits, okay, and another one is what? Smaller subunits. Clear? So eta ribosome mon duta subunit thake, eta ki hoy larger subunit ar ta ki hoy smaller subunits. Clear? Now a larger subunits bila keneke hoy thake? They are attached to the membrane. That means in the ribosomes larger subunits thake eto code attached hoy thake, attached in the membrane. Ar jonbila smaller subunit thake, they are freely thake, they are attached to the where? To the larger subunits with the help of what? Protein. Or ketia hihote attach hobo? This larger and smaller subunits ketia attach hobo? Largers are already attached. সিহঁতে attach হৈ আছে, ক'ত হৈ আছে? They are attached where in the membrane, right? Just তোমাৰ কি হয় smaller subunit freely হৈ থাকে, তাক attach হ'ব লাগিব। আৰু এইটো কেতিয়া attach হ'ব? During what? During protein synthesis. যেতিয়া টাইম হ'ব protein synthesisৰ, তেতিয়া smaller subunit will get, the smaller subunit কি কৰিব? It will get and attach with the larger subunit. Clear? When during the time of protein synthesis, and with the help of what? With the help of protein. The name of the protein is what? Ribofourin. যেতিয়া endoplasmic reticulum পঢ়াইছিলো তেতিয়া মই কৈছিলো that these ribosomes are attached with in the membrane with the help of what? With the help of protein. That is the name of the protein is what? Ribofourin. So these larger subunits are always attached with the membrane. Membrane, that is the membrane will be what? That is endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, are a smaller subunit ketia attach hobo membrane er logot? It will normally they are what? Freely, right? They are freely, but when they will attached the membrane, attach the membrane during the time of protein synthesis. Okay, during the time of protein synthesis. The protein synthesis or time hobo, so a smaller subunit will go and attach with the membrane. Clear? So mind rakhiba that each ribosomes are made up of what? Two subunits, that is larger subunits, and another one is what? Smaller subunits. Clear? Jodi ami ko larger subunits, and suppose this is the larger subunits and this is the smaller subunits. Clear? Eneke attach hoi thake. Okay, so now we'll discuss about larger subunits and smaller subunits. So it's a larger subunits to us, smaller subunits. Ami janu that there are two types of what? Ribosomes are present, right? So there are two types of what? Ribosome. Two types of ribosome. That is, one is what? 70S and another one is what? 80S. So there are two types of ribosome, that is, one is 70S type of ribosome and another one is what? 80S type of ribosome. Clear? Now this 70S and 80S type of ribosome je ami koi ase yat S word use kori aso. A S word to ki hoy? What is this S? This is known as what? Sedimentation. Man rakhiba etu A S to ki hoy? It's a what? It's a coefficient. Okay, so ki hoy? Sedimentation coefficient. Or arata S or naam ase ki? That is Swedberg constant. So mount rakhiba yat je S ami ko S, so that ribosome two types or hoy, one is 70S and another one is 80S ko S. So S to ki bujhaya ase? This is sedimentation coefficient or Swedberg constant. That means at what rate these ribosomes are going to settle down. Means eta amar ribosomes ki hobo? Settle hobo lagibo, se eta rate hobo hiyotor. Hey rate to ki bujaise? Sedimentation coefficient or Swedberg constant. That means at what rate these ribosomes are going to settle down. So it is of two types, that is, one is 70S and another one is 80S. So we know that each ribosome ki duta subunit ase, one is larger subunits and another one is what? Smaller subunits. Okay, so the larger subunits you will be what? So arta kotha pisar ami discuss karim subunits er kotha. First, the 70S code poa jay, it is found in prokaryotic cell. Okay, prokaryotic cell, and 80S is found in eukaryotic cell. Okay, it is also found in 70S is also found in cell organisms that are like mitochondria and plastids. So it is found in cell organisms like mitochondria and plastids. Clear? So tomorrow two types of thake, that is, one is larger subunits and another one is what? Smaller subunits. So larger subunits and another one is smaller subunits. Same in eukaryotic cell also, two types of thake, that is, one is larger subunit and another one is smaller subunit. Clear? At a larger subunit are the smaller subunit, because we know that each ribosome has two subunits, that is one is larger subunit and another one is smaller subunit. So this is what 70S ribosome, right? This is 70S type of ribosome. Yet larger subunit kiman hobo 50S, okay, and yet তোমার smaller subunit কিমান হ'ব 30S. It doesn't mean the total, ইয়াত total বুজোৱা নাই, মন ৰাখিবা। ইয়াত কি বুজা আছে that the sedimentation, that ইমান এটা টাইমত কিমান sedimentation লাগিব to make this 70S ribosome. Clear? So it's not the total, okay, total নহয়, means larger subunit কিমান হ'ব লাগিব 50S and smaller subunit কিমান হ'ব লাগিব 30S, means এটা সময়ত গৈ they need what 70S type of ribosome, that means they need that sedimentation coefficient, okay. Now what about this eukaryotic cell? Eukaryotic তোমাৰ larger subunit কিমান হয় 60S and the smaller subunit কিমান হয় 40S. So ইয়াতো total নহয়, ইহঁতৰ মন ৰাখিবা, ইহঁতৰ ইমান এটা ৰেট লাগিব that গৈ তোমাৰ এটা সময়ত গৈ ribosome settle down হ'ব লাগিব and to reach what 80S type of ribosome. So মন ৰাখিবা two types of ribosome present থাকে, okay. There are two type of ribosome, that is 70S and 80S. 70S found in prokaryotic cell and 80S found in where eukaryotic cell. Clear? So our other subunits bilak mon rakhiba 70S subunit kiman hoy 50S and 30S and 80S subunit kiman hoy, that is 60S and 40S. 60S is the larger subunit and 40S is the what? Is the smaller subunit. So mon rakhiba, okay. Now these ribosomes ki hoy, these ribosomes are actually what? So these ribosomes are actually ribonucleoprotein particles. So এই রাইবোজোম বিলাক কি হয় ribonucleoprotein particles. Clear? So এই রাইবোজোম বিলাক কি হয়, it's a ribonucleoprotein particle, that means it contains what? It contains RNA plus what? RNA plus protein. RNA কেনেকুৱা RNA? That is small rRNA. So rRNA plus protein তোমার কি ফর্ম করিছে ribosome. So মনে রাখবে ribosomes are what? It's a ribonucleoprotein particles. Clear? আর তোমার কি হয় RNA আৰু, that means it is the presence of what? RNA plus protein. কেনেকুৱা RNA? That আমি জানো যে RNA three types, that is mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. And ইয়াত কি rRNA. We are talking about what? rRNA. Clear? So যদি আমি কওঁ two types of RNA, two types of ribosome আছে, right? If we'll discuss two types, that means ইয়াত protein আৰু RNA আমি গম পালো যে ribosomes কিহদি কনস্টিটিউট হৈ আছে, it is RNA and protein. তো কিমান RNA আছে আৰু কিমান protein আছে, so মন ৰাখিবা 60 to 65% তোমাৰ ইয়াত কি প্ৰেজেন্ট থাকে rRNA. Clear? 60 to 65% ইয়াত কি থাকে RNA and remaining 30 to 35%, you can say the remaining 30 to 35% ইয়াত কি থাকে তোমাৰ protein. Clear? And what about in 80S? 80S তোমার কি থাকে 45% তোমার কি থাকে rRNA, 45% কি থাকে rRNA and remaining কিমান 60 or 55%, sorry 55% তোমার কি থাকে protein. Clear? That means in 80S सबतके बेसी की থাকে protein than RNA and in 70S सबतके बेसी की থাকে, that is the rRNA and then protein. Clear? So this is the what? This is the constituents of rRNA and protein. So মন ৰাখিবা 80S ত কি হয় বেছিভাগ তোমাৰ কি থাকে protein থাকে and then RNA থাকে and in 70S maximum কি constituent থাকে, that is the rRNA and then protein. আকৌ এটা টাইপস থাকে যেতিয়া তোমাক ট্রান্সক্রিপশন ট্রান্সলেশন পঢ়িবা চ্যাপ্টার তাত মোক পাবা, because ribosome is the site where protein synthesis takes place, right? So RNA কিমান constitute হয় ribosome, like sedimentation coefficient কিমান থাকে ইহঁতৰ. So মন ৰাখিবা ইয়াত RNA কিমান থাকে 3 types থাকে আৰু ইয়াত RNA কিমান থাকে 4 types or থাকে, means three among these three, two are larger subunit and one is smaller subunit, okay. And remaining in this four, three are larger subunit and one is what? One is your, that is smaller subunit. So this lage ma di diu ako. So 13 type of RNA থাকে, okay, that is 23S 23s, okay, then 5s, then 16s. So this is the three types of RNA: 23s, 5s, 16s. A 23s আৰু 5s তোমাৰ কি হয়? It's a 50s RNA and it is a 50s ribosome, and this is the smaller subunit. The ক'ব পাৰা কি হয় 30s, that is 30s ribosome. Clear? So this is the 70s then. Now what about 80s? 80s তোমাৰ কি হয়? তোমাৰ 4 types থাকে. That is one is 28s, then 5s, then 5.8s, okay, and the last one is 18s. So 4 type. A 4 types er majhe tumar de tinta ki hoy 60s ribosome hoy aur etu ki hoy 40s ribosome hoy. This is the larger subunit and this is the smaller subunit. Clear? So this is what? This is the your ribosome. Ite ribosome ami koi asu tumar ki larger subunits thake, right? Koi asu that larger subunit ase aru ki thake smaller subunit thake. Ite larger subunit oval shape but your shape beleg thake, অলপ রিচ হৈ থাকে, ওকে, লাৰ্জাৰ সাব ইউনিট, স্মলাৰ সাব ইউনিট প্লেটফৰ্ম হৈ থাকে, ওকে, লাইক বেয়াৰলি থাকে। ক্লিয়াৰ? শ্বেপটো অলপ ডিফাৰেণ্ট হৈ থাকে। যদি আমি লাৰ্জাৰ সাব ইউনিট আকো, সাপোজ দিছ ইজ দি হোৱাট, দিছ ইজ দি okay, or you can it like this. This is what? This is the larger subunit. We see here very good apuro ka. Okay, so this is the what? This is the larger subunit. Okay, larger subunit. Our larger subunit it is like depression eta paisa aru ei depression to ki ko hoy tunnel means tumar ki hoy when for like protein synthesis tumar eta polypeptide la pass hobo lagibo na, synthesize koribe lagibo, to hey synthesize kene ke hobo because this is the larger subunits and it is always attached what? It is always attached to the membrane to kene ko endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum membrane logot ki hoy attach hoy thake. Clear? So polypeptide synthesize hobo lagibo, synthesize hoy tomar ki hobo pass koribo lagibo, pass code koribo, it will pass into the endoplasmic reticulum. So hey pass to korba hobo, it will pass through where? From the tunnel. Mon rakhiba ei pass korba hobo from the tunnel. So yat side to thake present, that is ki koa hoy A side, P side, E side koa hoy. Okay, now A side ki bujhai ase yat? A side tomar bujhai ase amino acyl side, okay, or acceptor side. Illa bujhi paba jete transcription pohiba, just naming koi dia somai. P side thake, that is known as what? You can say that is known as what? So this is the acceptor side. Okay, mon rakhiba etu amino acyl hoy side hoy, etu ki koa hoy? Acceptor side. Next is donor side. Yes, that is donor side. P side ki koa hoy? Donor side or peptidyl side. Clear? And E side is known as what? Exit side. So 8 interside present thake in the larger subunit. That means protein synthesis will take place where? In the ribosome only. Okay, aur tumar jodi smaller subunit er kotha ko, that means tumar yat tumar ki hoy depression thake, aur a side to ki koi depression to thake, side to ki koa hoy mRNA binding site. Clear? That means with the help of protein ribofourin, a larger subunit to attach hoy ase endoplasmic reticulum with the help of what? Riboprotein, that is ribofourin. Now this will also will attach with the membrane with the help of what? Ribofourin. Suppose tumar ki hoy ase etu ki hoy mRNA binding site, ete keneke thakibo duta subunits bilak keneke thakibo? So with the help of what? mRNA. So this is what? mRNA. Etu ki hoy? mRNA hoy, আর mRNA তোমার কি প্রেজেন্ট থাকিব? This is the smaller subunit, this is the larger subunit, smaller subunit, larger subunit, like this, in this way. Okay, so this is what? This is the mRNA. Clear? তো এনেকে তোমার কি হবো? প্রেজেন্ট হয়ে থাকিব। সো মন রাখিবা যে লার্জার সাবইউনিট তোমার কি হয় তিনটা সাইড প্রেজেন্ট থাকে আর টানেল প্রেজেন্ট থাকে আর টানেলের কি কাম the polypeptide which is synthesized will pass into jimla polypeptide synthesized hobo, it will pass into the endoplasmic reticulum, because this is what endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, it pass hoy endoplasmic reticulum ot ahibo, logot tumar smaller subunit thake aur tat ki thake mRNA binding site, mane tat mRNA ki hobo bind hoy, like eneka structure to akison hoy like this, eneka exactly eneke mRNA ki hobo bind hoy thakibo. Clear? So tat tumar ki hobo mRNA binding site present thakibo. Clear? That means tumar ki hobo ribosome bilakor assembly hobo. Okay, assembly means ekeloge sob form hobo. Okay, so ribosome or ki hobo assembly hobo. That is only assembly, that means smaller subunit aru larger subunit bind kore se, attach kore se, that is only assembly of what ribosomes. Okay, now tumar ki hoy ase ete tumar arda word paba te tumar ki hobo, there will be a chain of ribosome, etota ki hoy chain hoy. Okay, chain of what ribosome, like it means eta chain ase aur tar chain ki ase tat there are chain present of what ribosome that are attached in what attached in mRNA. mon rakhiba ebla ki hoy ribosome, right? Ebla ki hoy ribosome, aur ei ribosomes code attach hoy ase, they are attached where in the mRNA, to ki hoy mRNA hoy. So there is chain of ribosome which is attached in mRNA is known as what polysome or polyribosome. That means there are many ribosomes present. So this is what, this is known as what polysome or polyribosome. Clear? The polysome polyribosome is what? It's a chain of ribosome that are attached in where? Attached in mRNA. Clear? So this is what ribosome. And what is the main function of ribosome? The main function of ribosome will be what? Protein synthesis. Okay, that's why it is known as what? Protein factory. Kare to ki koa hoy because protein or synthesis hoy ase, he kane ribosome ki koa hoy protein factory. So for today, thank you.